you have the best seat in the building right now, okay? Now, I mean it, keep your eyes open the whole time because I will be watching. If you close them at any point, regardless of what happens, Andrew will try it again. So if you will, I'll take your phone, I'll film for you, because number 3 is going to have you doing something special here. All right, now, number 3, I need you to put your arms up just like this. What that does is it gives Andrew something to aim for other than your forehead, okay? So do not move. All right, he's ready. I believe Andrew